Have you ever noticed that your skin doesn't look as firm as it used to? Maybe it feels a little less elastic, or you're starting to see those fine lines creeping in around your eyes. We all experience it. Our bodies change as we get older, but when it comes to our skin, joints, and muscles, these changes can sometimes feel more noticeable. So, what if I told you there's something you can do about it? Something that could help slow down these changes, or even reverse them? Collagen supplements have been flying off the shelves in recent years, with many claiming they can help restore youthful skin, ease joint pain, and rebuild muscle. But the big question is, do they actually work? Or is this just another trendy health fad that will fade away in a few months? In today's video, we're diving into the science behind collagen supplements. We'll explore how they work, what the experts have to say, and whether or not they live up to the hype. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether or not collagen supplements are right for you. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, making up about 30% of our total protein content. It's often referred to as the scaffolding of the body because it provides structure and support to our skin, muscles, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Essentially, collagen is what holds everything together, giving your skin its strength and elasticity, keeping your joints flexible, and ensuring that your muscles remain strong and resilient. There are several types of collagen, each serving a specific role in different parts of the body. The three main types include Type 1 collagen. This is the most common form of collagen, found in your skin, tendons, and bones. It's responsible for the skin's strength and elasticity, and helps maintain the integrity of your bones and connective tissues. Type 2 collagen, found primarily in cartilage. This type is crucial for joint health. It helps maintain the structure and function of your joints, and is often the type used in supplements aimed at relieving joint pain or improving mobility. Type 3 collagen, found in your skin, blood vessels, and muscles. Type 3 collagen works alongside Type I collagen to provide structure and strength to these tissues. It's especially important for maintaining the elasticity and flexibility of your skin and supporting the function of your blood vessels. Each of these collagen types plays an essential role in maintaining the health and function of your body, which is why maintaining collagen levels is so important as we age. As we age, one of the most noticeable changes is the gradual decline in collagen production. This process typically begins around the age of 30, when our bodies start producing less of this crucial protein. Collagen loss can manifest in various ways, with wrinkles, sagging skin, and aching joints being some of the most common signs. Collagen plays a vital role in maintaining the strength and elasticity of our skin. So when its levels decrease, the skin loses its firmness, leading to fine lines and wrinkles. As collagen breaks down, joints begin to feel stiffer, and pain or inflammation may increase, particularly in weight-bearing areas like the knees, hips, and spine. Additionally, collagen depletion affects muscles, contributing to a decline in muscle mass and strength. This process, often seen with age, weakens the body's overall structural integrity. Collagen loss impacts not only appearance, but also overall health, leading to pain, decreased mobility, and reduced flexibility. As the body becomes less resilient to physical stress, joint pain and osteoarthritis become more prevalent. Collagen is crucial for both aesthetic and physical well-being, making its maintenance vital for maintaining a youthful appearance and supporting health and mobility as we age. Collagen supplements have garnered significant attention in recent years, and many people are eager to know if they actually live up to the claims. So what does the science say? Let's dive into some of the key studies that support the effectiveness of collagen supplements and explore how they work in the body. Studies supporting the effectiveness of collagen supplements. Several large-scale studies have shown promising results when it comes to collagen supplementation. One of the most notable studies, published in the Journal of Medical Nutrition, looked at the effects of collagen peptides on skin elasticity and hydration. The results were impressive. Participants who took collagen supplements for 12 weeks saw a significant improvement in skin elasticity, as well as a noticeable reduction in the appearance of wrinkles. This research suggests that collagen supplements can help maintain youthful skin by promoting the production of new collagen fibers, which are essential for skin structure and elasticity. Another study published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology examined the effects of collagen supplementation on skin hydration and wrinkles. The researchers found that collagen peptides significantly increased the skin's hydration levels, while also improving the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This study confirmed that collagen supplementation is an effective way to support skin health, particularly as we age and our bodies naturally produce less collagen. But collagen supplements aren't just good for your skin. They've also shown promise in improving joint health. Research published in Current Medical Research and Opinion found that participants who took collagen for 6 months experienced a significant reduction in joint pain and stiffness, particularly those suffering from osteoarthritis. Collagen supplementation has been shown to help rebuild cartilage and support the health of joints, making it a popular option for those with chronic joint discomfort. The most significant research into collagen supplements has focused on older adults, particularly those in their 60s, 70s, and beyond. As collagen production declines with age, the effects of this loss become more apparent in the form of weakened skin, stiff joints, and reduced muscle mass. Fortunately, studies suggest that collagen supplementation may be particularly effective for seniors looking to combat these issues. In a study conducted by the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, elderly participants who took collagen supplements for 6 months showed significant improvements in muscle mass, strength, and function. This research is particularly important because muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, is a common issue in older adults, leading to frailty and reduced mobility. By supplementing with collagen, seniors were able to support their muscle regeneration and maintain a higher level of physical function. Additionally, collagen supplementation has been linked to a reduction in joint pain and stiffness in older individuals. A study published in Osteoarthritis and Cartilage found that collagen peptides helped reduce the pain and inflammation associated with osteoarthritis, a condition that affects millions of seniors worldwide. Participants in the study also reported an improvement in their ability to perform daily activities, such as walking and climbing stairs. This is a major breakthrough for those who experience chronic joint pain, as collagen can help improve mobility and quality of life. While the benefits of collagen supplements for older adults are well documented, younger individuals are also turning to collagen as a way to maintain their skin's youthful appearance and protect their joints from early wear and tear. Research suggests that collagen supplementation can help prevent the early onset of wrinkles and loss of skin elasticity, making it a valuable addition to the skincare routine for those in their 20s and 30s. By promoting collagen production in the skin, supplements may help delay the visible signs of aging and keep the skin looking youthful for longer. In addition to skin benefits, younger adults who engage in high levels of physical activity, especially those involved in sports or regular intense workouts, may benefit from collagen supplementation to support joint health and muscle recovery. Collagen has been shown to improve joint mobility and reduce exercise-related injuries, making it a great option for those looking to support their active lifestyle. Collagen supplements for joint and muscle health. Collagen for joint health. Collagen supplements have proven to be highly beneficial for joint health, particularly for those dealing with conditions like osteoarthritis or chronic joint pain. Collagen type 2, which is primarily found in cartilage, has been shown to support joint function and improve flexibility. Research indicates that collagen type 2 helps promote the repair of damaged cartilage, reducing inflammation and pain in the joints. This is especially beneficial for those with joint conditions, where cartilage breakdown can lead to painful and stiff joints. Several studies have shown that collagen supplementation can significantly reduce joint pain and improve mobility. For example, a study published in Current Medical Research and Opinion found that participants who took collagen for 6 months experienced less joint discomfort and were able to perform daily activities like walking and climbing stairs with less pain. This makes collagen supplementation a great choice for anyone looking to improve their joint health, reduce inflammation, and regain flexibility. Collagen for muscle health. Collagen is also essential for muscle health, particularly when it comes to muscle recovery after intense physical activity. During exercise, muscles undergo stress and minor damage, and collagen plays a critical role in repairing and rebuilding muscle fibers. For those who engage in regular workouts, taking collagen supplements can help speed up muscle recovery and reduce soreness. Research has shown that collagen supplementation can increase muscle strength and enhance recovery post-workout. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that athletes who supplemented with collagen peptides experienced a greater increase in muscle mass and strength compared to those who did not. Additionally, collagen can reduce muscle-related pain and improve overall muscle function, making it a great addition to an active person's daily routine. There are several types of collagen supplements available on the market today, each offering different benefits depending on your specific needs. Understanding the different types of collagen can help you choose the best one for your skin, joints, or muscles. Common types of collagen supplements. Hydrolyzed collagen, collagen peptides. This is one of the most popular and effective forms of collagen supplements. It's broken down into smaller peptides, making it easier for your body to absorb and use. Hydrolyzed collagen is versatile and can be used to support skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and improve joint and bone health. Marine collagen. Sourced from fish, marine collagen is rich in type I collagen, which is great for supporting skin health. This form is particularly popular for people looking to improve skin elasticity and reduce fine lines. Marine collagen is also considered more sustainable, making it an attractive option for eco-conscious consumers. Bovine collagen. Sourced from cows, bovine collagen is rich in type I and type 3 collagen, making it excellent for skin, hair, and nails. Bovine collagen also supports joint health by promoting the repair of cartilage, and it's often used for improving gut health as well. This type is commonly used for general collagen support across various areas of health. How to choose the right collagen supplement. Choosing the right collagen supplement depends on your personal needs and goals. If you're looking to improve skin health and reduce wrinkles, marine collagen may be your best option due to its high content of type I collagen. For joint health, especially if you're dealing with arthritis or joint pain, collagen type 2, found in both bovine and some specialized chicken collagen, may be more effective. When selecting a collagen supplement, consider factors like the form of collagen, powder, pill, liquid, the purity of the product, and how easily it dissolves and is absorbed by your body. Some collagen supplements may contain added ingredients like vitamin C or hyaluronic acid, which can enhance collagen synthesis and improve its effectiveness. It's also important to check the quality of the product. Look for collagen supplements that are free of fillers, artificial additives, and preservatives. Opt for products from reputable brands with positive reviews, as this ensures you're getting a high-quality supplement that will deliver the best results. By carefully considering your health needs and preferences, you can find a collagen supplement that fits into your daily routine and helps you achieve your desired results, whether for skin, joints, or muscle health. Real benefits of collagen supplements. Benefits for skin. One of the most well-known benefits of collagen supplements is their ability to improve skin health. As we age, our collagen production decreases, leading to the formation of wrinkles and loss of skin elasticity. Collagen supplements help combat this by improving skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines, and promoting smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Research has shown that collagen supplementation can significantly increase the production of elastin and hyaluronic acid in the skin, two key components responsible for keeping your skin hydrated and firm. Elastin provides skin with the ability to bounce back after being stretched, while hyaluronic acid helps retain moisture. This combination leads to improved skin texture, reduced sagging, and better overall skin health. Benefits for joint health. Collagen supplements are also highly beneficial for joint health, especially for individuals who suffer from joint pain, stiffness, or conditions like osteoarthritis. Collagen type 2, in particular, is known to help maintain cartilage health and support joint function. By taking collagen, you can reduce joint pain and inflammation. Studies have shown that individuals who supplement with collagen experience a significant reduction in joint discomfort and stiffness, allowing them to move more freely. Whether you're dealing with a chronic condition or just want to maintain healthy, pain-free joints as you age, collagen supplements can offer substantial relief. Benefits for muscle and overall health. Collagen plays a crucial role in muscle recovery, especially after intense physical activity. After working out, muscles need time to repair, and collagen helps speed up this process by providing the amino acids necessary for muscle tissue regeneration. Taking collagen supplements post-workout can reduce soreness and promote faster recovery. Additionally, collagen supports overall bone health by enhancing bone density and strength. It helps maintain healthy bones and joints, contributing to better mobility and flexibility, which are vital for overall well-being as we age. If you want to improve your stamina, strengthen your muscles, and support your joints during physical activity, collagen can help you stay active and healthy. Things to keep in mind when using collagen supplements: 250 to 300 words. Dosage and how to use. Collagen supplements are generally safe, but it's essential to follow the recommended dosage. Most studies suggest taking between 2.5 to 15 grams of collagen per day for optimal results. Whether you prefer a powder, pill, or liquid form, it's important to find a dosage that fits into your daily routine. While collagen is typically well tolerated, some people may experience mild digestive discomfort, such as bloating or heartburn. To avoid this, it's best to start with a smaller dose and gradually increase it. If you experience any adverse effects, reduce the dosage or consult with a healthcare professional. Combine with a healthy diet. For collagen to be most effective, it's important to pair supplementation with a balanced diet. Make sure you're getting enough vitamin C, zinc, and copper, as these nutrients are essential for the body's natural collagen production. Collagen supplements work best when combined with foods like citrus fruits, leafy greens, and nuts, which help enhance the absorption and production of collagen. Consult a doctor. If you have underlying health conditions or are on medication, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before starting a collagen regimen. While collagen supplements are generally safe, it's important to ensure they won't interfere with any existing treatments or medical conditions. Collagen supplements offer a range of benefits, including improved skin elasticity, reduced wrinkles, enhanced joint health, and faster muscle recovery. However, the results can differ from person to person. While some individuals may see significant improvements in their skin texture and joint flexibility, others might experience slower, more gradual changes. To maximize the benefits of collagen supplementation, consistency is key. Pairing it with a healthy lifestyle, such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration, will help you achieve the best results. If you're looking to enhance your skin, alleviate joint pain, or boost muscle recovery, collagen supplements could be a great option for you. Whether you're managing the effects of aging or seeking to maintain your health as you age, collagen can be a valuable addition to your routine. We'd love to hear about your experiences with collagen supplements. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips.